And television during prime time and watershed hours might be a thing of the past if the Alcoholic Drinks Control Amendment Bill of 2020 is enacted into law in its current form. The Sylvanus Osoro-sponsored bill that seeks to regulate advertising hours for alcoholic beverages sailed through to the second reading in the National Assembly.
A survey conducted by consultancy firm PricewaterhouseCoopers, dubbed Altering the Dynamics in Entertainment and Media Industry, estimate that Kenya's potential annual revenues in the entertainment and media industry will be over 900 billion shillings by 2025.
Prime time, they bring the entire family, they display the entire family. The father seated there with alcohol, the mother seated there with alcohol, and they bring a person that is appearing like a teenager seated in a certain corner with a drink that appears like it's alcohol. That is how they do advertisements lately, which is again impacting the young families wrong. That is why you find several young people are not able to invest. They're not able to focus in their lives because, they find it like it's, for you to live a normal life as a young man, you've got to enjoy yourself by drinking yourself silly and sitting somewhere. And it's the mess.
As such, the Alcoholic Drinks Control Amendment Bill 2020 that seeks to regulate advertising hours for alcoholic beverages weighs heavy on alcoholic drinks manufacturers and media owners.
When such advertisement appear, Mr. Speaker, you feel embarrassed. And us, Mr. Speaker, particularly from Western Kenya, we don't shake hands with our mother-in-laws, Mr. Speaker. And sometimes when you are sharing with your mother-in-law in the sitting room, she's there seated with you and the young one, the grand ones, children. And Mr. Speaker, these advertisements appear on television. It embarrasses you, Mr. Speaker, one even to run to the bedroom.
So I call upon everyone here to support this bill and let it be put in action so that poverty reduction will be poverty will be reduced, because the men and the women will save money which they use in alcohol drinking so that our children can go to school.
During Wednesday's debate, legislators argued that surrogate advertisements were misleading and detrimental to a majority of youth who were getting induced into alcoholism. Legislators want adverts of alcoholic drinks to be accompanied by health hazard warnings, as in the case with tobacco products.
Mr. Speaker, when we are talking of this bill, Mr. Speaker, it will bring sanity, it will bring good order, and sometimes, Mr. Speaker, as you just put up here, when you associate good things like football, when you associate good things like athletics, Mr. Speaker, with this kind of drinking, Mr. Speaker, it percolates into even that if you drink heavily is when you become a good footballer.
Since its introduction, alcoholic drinks manufacturers and media owners have voiced their opposition, terming the bill as unnecessary since existing regulations shield minors and other vulnerable groups from exposure.
Audit of this law.